Imagine being on a long highway drive. Your leg starts to cramp, and when you finally press that cruise control button to relax, absolutely nothing happens. It is frustrating and tiring, but if your scanner is showing the code P0594, you have a specific electrical break to blame. This diagnostic trouble code points directly to an open circuit issue within your cruise control servo control system. To understand why this matters, you need to know that your cruise control is not just a button. It is a complex system where the engine control module, or ECM, talks to a servo unit. This servo is the physical muscle that pulls your throttle cable to maintain speed, taking over the job of your foot. When code P0594 triggers, it means the ECM has tried to send a signal to this servo but found a break in the line, meaning the signal cannot complete its path. The symptoms are usually immediate. You might find that your cruise control is totally inoperative, or even worse, it might behave erratically, setting the wrong speed or failing to hold it steady. While this is often considered a medium severity issue, you should not ignore it because this servo is mechanically linked to your throttle. A physical failure here could potentially cause your throttle to stick or feel weird, even when you are driving manually. The causes are often physical or electrical. The servo itself might be damaged, or the cable connecting it to the engine could be snapped, stuck, or disconnected. Since many of these systems rely on vacuum pressure to pull the cable, a cracked or leaking vacuum line is a massive suspect. Wiring issues, such as a connector that has rattled loose or wires that have been cut, will also cause this open circuit code. To fix this, you need to pop the hood and start with a thorough visual inspection. Locate the servo unit, which is usually near the throttle body. Check the cable for any fraying, corrosion, or kinks that stop it from moving freely. If the servo uses vacuum lines, inspect them closely for dry rot or cracks. Replacing these cheap rubber hoses often solves the problem and prevents future leaks. Check the electrical connector to ensure it is clicked in tight and the tabs are not broken. If the physical parts look good, the issue might be an internal break in the wiring harness. If you are not comfortable using a multimeter to trace electrical continuity, this is the moment to take the vehicle to a professional technician, as incorrect probing can damage your main computer. Fixing this ensures your long trips are comfortable and your fuel economy stays optimized.